Nobody wants to stare at a blank wall all day long, which is why wall art is such a crucial step in the decorating process. And once you start brainstorming, the rest is easy. From girly walls to die pieces like farming your accessories and large scale photography, we have got plenty of wall art ideas to spark your creativity. And where better to look for inspiration than interior designer decorated walls. In this video, I am going to show you the beautiful wall art design ideas you will want to steal immediately. Room makeovers include many components, from furniture to wall color to lighting. It's easy to forget something. However, bare walls can leave the room feeling bland and boring. Wall decor is the perfect option to create a focal point in the room, all while adding a finishing touch to the room's style. Wall decor, including wall art, wall accent, and wall mirrors, can brighten and bring life to a room. Here in this video, we are inspired by all wall decor transformations. That's why we also showing it to you, and we hope that you will also like these ones. First of all, take a look at the wall you are going to fill to decide what size art you should pick. There are many ways to determine this, and you will see different ideas throughout this video. A good rule of thumb is to choose wall art that takes up the width of the wall, minus 6 to 12 inch on each side, so it looks like its center. Now the second question that arises is how to hang wall art. Next, decide how high to hang your wall art. Wall art height is the concept that goes wrong the most. The general rule of thumb is to hang wall art to at your sight line, so you don't have to look up too high or too low at it. That means the center of your wall art area is about 60 inches from the ground.